I'm looking. What the?
Ready? What happened? Okay, here.
All right, Michael's ready. Nice. Stop doing. You're gonna mess up the bat. Move back, Michael. Nice. If you finish everything, put it aside, because the other one that I put, we're gonna read it together. So close the book and put it aside, and then when you finish brush your teeth and stuff, we'll do it together. Close the book so you have, put the pencil and there, close it, move it aside, put it somewhere up here. Now finish it, and then so you can go brush your teeth.
The water he
Eats
by the water.
Okay, the frog likes to be in the water. He always jumps in the water. He eats by the water. Read the question.
What does the frog like to do?
What does he like to do?
To jump in the water. Jump in the water?
The frog likes to be in the water. He always jumps in the water. He eats by the water. Okay, what does the frog likes to do?
The frog likes to jump in the water.
The frog likes to be in the water. And
the frog likes to be in the water.
okay, so answer that.
A lot.
Frank is a dog. He always barks. One day he did not bark because he ate a lot. Who is Frank?
A dog.
Frank is a dog, okay? That's how you answer in complete sentence. What does he always do?
He always barks.
Okay. Why Frank did not bark?
Because he ate a lot.
Oh, okay, that's it. You could go play on your phone. That's it. See, I didn't make you right because it's almost time, and you. So it's about 8:05 a.m. I'm about to go to the gym, and I'm gonna take a spoon of peanut butter before I leave, because yesterday I ate a lot at the church, mostly because my kids leftovers, I didn't want to throw them away. My main thing was to drink coffee. Then my kids didn't even eat their muffins, they didn't eat their buns, so I ate theirs. So I ended up eating 6 buns. And then, see, from 9 a.m., and then after that, when I come home, I had a doctor appointment. It was a Sunday. I did have a doctor appointment. So I ate until 3:16 p.m. and all I ate was ramen noodles because I had all the 6 buns in my system, and I took a little Kit Kat. That's a story behind it too. And then at 8:30 p.m. I drank a little bit of coffee, and around 10 I weigh myself. See, I weigh 132.2 from 129.6 just because of the buns. I knew that the minute I ate it. That's why it took me a long time to eat. So it's about 11:30 p.m. I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna weigh myself before I go to bed. And I was just thinking, tomorrow my kids don't have school, so I have to stay home with them. And I need to go to the gym because today I didn't go to the gym. So my workout is gonna be really early in the morning. I'm thinking of going around 6, do an hour and a half, because I could have skipped tomorrow workout, but I need to take care of some stuff. I need to stop at the bank, so I'm gonna hit a quick an hour and a half workout and then stop at the bank and before my husband goes to work. So I'm gonna weigh myself before I go to bed. I know sometimes some of you might be wondering why I show my weight in some of my videos. It's nothing special. It's just a way for me to keep track of my weight. It becomes a habit to me. So every time I get up, before I eat anything, I weigh myself. And once I'm done at the end of the day, I weigh myself again just to see where I'm at and how much I have put throughout the day. It's nothing special. I don't make a big deal out of it, but it's a way for me to track things that I put in my mouth. I know sometimes it's hard to get rid of the weight, so I try not to put too much weight on me. So yeah, that's the only reason I be showing you guys my weight in the morning and sometime at night. I don't put on all of my videos, but depending on how I'm feeling when I'm editing the videos, I'll just sneak it in and just show you guys. Nothing special about it. And if you have seen, I believe I may have put it on my last vlog, my yesterday vlog or my Sunday vlog. I don't remember, but recently, maybe 2 vlogs ago, I had shown you guys that when I went to church, I ate a lot of buns because my kids didn't eat theirs, so it was hard. It was hard for me to throw away the food, so I ended up eating 6 buns. It was a bit too much for me. I only eat it because I didn't want to disrespect the church, and they work hard to get the food, so I didn't want to throw it away. So I ate it. So throughout the day, because I've ate those 6 buns, throughout the day I watch what I eat, and to sort of maintain or balance out what I wasn't supposed to eat. And I usually know the things that will make me gain and things that will just, won't mean much to me. So the buns, I know for sure I was gonna gain, and I did. It wasn't much. Like I said, I don't take those things too seriously, but it's just a way for me to track myself. If I want to stay lean year round, I have to look at what I eat and don't put too much pressure on myself, but control what I eat. So that's basically it, and I hope you understand. Thanks. While I was walking to the gym, and I was wondering, why did the school decide to cancel the class today? Because there was no storm, nothing. And little did I know, once I've finished workout, yeah, I saw why they decided to cancel the class today. Hello. You are? You did your homework?
Yes.
What?
For 2 days.
Jeez.
They will like they want to play video game after they're done.
Maybe I'll consider it. What? I'm impressed.
No.
Not really.
Does he know what he's supposed to do?
Yeah. So he's been stuck on this page. He's supposed to count by one all the way to 100.
Okay. I'll check it later. It's snowing now.
Is there another page?
What? Okay. Michael, you still want the pancake? Yes?
I'll eat it.
When you need it, just ask me. I'll make it. About 8 o'clock or so, I'm in the process of making pancake for my kids. So they off from school. What is today? It's Wednesday, March 21st. So last night while I was taking a shower, my husband came in the bathroom to show me the school call. The kids don't have school because of the snowstorm. I didn't even know there was gonna be a snowstorm because I've been so busy, working and things like that. So I don't even get a chance to watch TV. When I'm watching TV, I fall asleep. So, but anyway, because I received that phone call last night, what I did, I got up early this morning, like around 4:30ish. I don't even need an alarm clock. Once I know I'm gonna get up at a certain time, I'm up at that time. So I got up around 4:30, take care of myself, and went to the gym and did the full body. Exactly the same thing that I did on Monday, with the exception I didn't do arm, because by the time I was doing my leg thing, I realized it's like 7:20 or something like that, and my husband needs to get out by 8 o'clock, and I need to stop at the bank. So I did everything that I did on Monday with the exception of arm. The only arm exercise that I did was when I was doing chest and shoulders. So because I was already in that position, I had 20-pound dumbbells and I did some bicep curls, and that was the only thing for arm. Everything else I didn't do. Tricep, forearm, none of that. But all the legs. I did the very first thing that I did after I warm up, after I did my foam rolling, was the leg press, and I superset it. I was going back and forth between the leg press and the squat machine. I wanted to record, and I was like, you know what, once I start pulling out the camera, I'm gonna want to record everything. So I didn't even bother record anything. So yeah, so that's my workout. And after gym, I did what I have to do, went to the bank and take care of the thing. It wasn't open, but I took care of it in the ATM and the machine. So yeah, and I'm making pancake. Let me go see. I need to turn it. I need to flip it. Mark, stop jumping on the couch. You're gonna break it. Okay, let's see if I could do it while I'm... Whoa, not bad. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me stop it now. Alright, Michael, here's your pancake. Mark, wait for yours because you asked me last minute. I didn't think you were gonna. It's okay. I was still in the kitchen, so oh my goodness, it's snowing hard now.
You're showing your butt as you want.
Well, you looking at my butt. I wasn't pointing it at you.
Thank you for my pancake. Thank you for that. Is so much snow. What if the snow went into that hole over there?
Well, it snows and it's gonna go everywhere.